What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to Fleetwood Trades Crypto. Today's video, I'm going to do a video about GAIMIN, the GMRX token. Guys, this one's going to be a little bit different. This is going to be something that I've been studying a little bit recently. I've been trying to kind of figure this out. So this is just speculation. So please don't take anything that I say as absolute. This is just me speculating. And it's something I've been speculating on with a handful of different newer low cap tokens that seem to be kind of running in parallel, and it's something I've noticed and something I started to investigate. And the cool thing with crypto is that you have an opportunity to dig as deep as you want to dig and find some things out. So with that being said, we're going to take a look at the chart real quick. GAIMIN, you guys follow them here on X if you want. GAIMIN.io or GAIMIN.io. Check out their link tree. Tons of stuff going on. They've got their own esports team, all that stuff. But that's not what this is about. This is more about price action today. And the chart here, again, it's still in this falling wedge pattern, and it's been in this pattern for quite some time, since July. So it's been falling. And this, while it's, you can call it an accumulation pattern, but it's been down. Like, it's not even really a sideways accumulation or anything. And like, I would be much more happy to see an accumulation range that's just kind of like, hey, from here to here, we're gonna trade sideways for a few months in this range, but that's not even been the case. It's been almost straight down with only very minute little pumps in between. Now I start to try to check this out, and I start to try to look at DEX tools to see if I could find anything suspicious or anything odd or anything kind of programmatic about any of the wallets and the way that they move and the way the price is moving. And it's very interesting. I found something very interesting, and I really had to dig for this, because the first pair that you see is going to be the GMRX to wrap BNB, and that is very, like, just kind of ups and downs, trades up, trade down. Could be $50 buys, $100 buys, whatever, like $100 sells. It seems very organic and very just natural. It's low volume. It's only like 16K volume per day, which is very low volume. But then I looked at the Sol, the GMRX to Sol, and this is just through the wormhole, through the portal. And the total liquidity for this is at about $170,000 in liquidity for GMRX to Sol, which is interesting. It's almost as much liquidity on the decentralized exchange as it is to wrap BNB. And then I noticed a particular wallet, and it is this 55QWG, and it had a $500 sell here on the 20th, and the most recent was a $500 buy. So sometime this morning, or the morning of the 21st, was a $500 buy. So I just want you to take a look. $506 was that 55QWG. $505 sell, 55QWG. 506 sell, 55QWG. $500 sell, 55QWG. $499.94. Let's call that $500. 55QWG. 503. You guessed it. So this wallet has been selling $500 worth of GAIMIN at a time every couple hours. Going through for other 55QWG. Look at that, another $500 sell. This feels extremely programmatic. This feels like a market maker. What's this? 451 55QWG. This was on October 15th. So let's see how far back this continues to sell. 55QWG 505 onto the 15th. 500 back-to-back sells. Same wallet. And I know it's going to become a boring video, but another 500 on the 14th. Another 500 here. 502 on the 14th. This wallet has been consistently selling $500 worth at a time. Now there are others you might find. There might be others that do something very similar. And what we're starting to see, 55QWG, $400 sell, $500 sell, back to back. This is within a minute of each other. And it goes back for days. And what they typically will do is they will sell. Here's October 11th. Yeah, it's Friday. What they will typically do is they will sell until this wallet is empty. Here's a 500. This is from a different wallet, CVL. I wonder if the wallet's changed. What they'll typically do is they'll sell one wallet down. There's another 500 sell here on the October 7th, and then they will start buying with a different wallet once they start to accumulate enough USDT or whatever they're using, whatever the trading pair is. Another back-to-back 500. Anyway, this goes back. You can do this on your own. You can do your own research on this. But these had all been sells, primarily all sells, and this last one was a buy. Does that mean that they've exhausted the wallet and they're starting to buy and they're starting to push price back up? I don't know. I don't have enough research on this. But what I'm going to say is that right now, none of this really means shit. Because right now, there's no utility. The market makers, the bots, whatever, MEV bots, market makers, whatever it is, they're gonna put the price where they want it. And they're going to have people accumulating and people getting massive amounts of GAIMIN tokens, and while the market makers are accumulating massive amounts of USDT or SOL or BNB, and once they flip to the buy algorithm, this is going to explode. It's going to happen, and I'm seeing this more and more on so many different multiple tokens that are very similar, that now I'm starting to see why the price actions are so similar. They're probably being ran off the same algorithms with the same money, with the same market makers. Guys, again, this is all speculation, but I want to test this, and it took me a little bit longer to test this. And the reason why I brought it up to GAIMIN was because the market makers seem to be hidden through the wormhole trading on SOL. So with that being said, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you got something from it. Check these out yourself. The tools are there. It's all out in the open. You just gotta learn how to find it. As always, guys, until next time, peace.